Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix microphone not working on BlueStacks. So let's begin. First, make sure that your BlueStacks is up to date and to the newest version because most likely incompatible drivers might cause this issue not working for your camera, microphone. Then we need to go to settings right over here. Click on that and I would like you to go to devices. Okay, so on devices, make sure that the correct device is selected. As you can see, microphone is on Windows default, so I don't want that. I want my headset microphone. I'm using Steel Series, so this is what I want and what I'm currently using. I do have other headsets. And sometimes, if you have multiple devices like headsets, headphones, with that is connected to your computer, this is the number one culprit. Sometimes we forget to switch back and forth which device we're using. So make sure it is the correct one you're using. And after that, hit changes, and then you're done. That should fix most of your microphone settings inside BlueStacks. You can also go to your uh, the microphone settings in your PC. You can go and make sure that it's the correct device also. Okay. And also, you can go on properties and make sure that the headset microphone levels are 100%. Click OK. Click OK. And that should be it. You're done. I hope you found this video very helpful.